Your energy is exalted. You exude high power and authority. Your energy has the ability to make people feel engrossed by you. People feel as if they are entrapped with thoughts of you. Whenever individuals encounter you, they cannot seem to forget about the conversation that they had with you, the way you made them feel. The way you make people feel is a feeling of escapism. You are very mystical, alluring, otherworldly. People have never encountered your type of energy before. They may have felt like they came close in the past, but your energy is on a whole nother level. People get lost in you. And because you are very selective as to who you allow around you, makes people even more consumed by you. You are highly intelligent, a great conversationalist. You have the ability to capture others with your words, with your charm, with your grace. You have a very potent and strong aura that radiates power. You have raw grit, raw sensuality that can be felt from a mile off. You are highly intellectual. Your words mesmerize others. You are a wordsmith. You are a great conversationalist. You are a loner. You are a loner by choice. And this is even more captivating. You are very spiritual. Some of you can be to yourself, and that is part of your appeal. People want to access you. They want to see the depths of your soul. You are very awakened. You are very knowledgeable. You have so much wisdom that you bestow upon others. You are fair and you are balanced. You are the type of person that is very inclusive. People feel seen whenever they are around you. People feel heard, understood, maybe for the first time. But part of your appeal is that you may not want a romantic partner. And many people want to become your acquaintance. Many people want to date you. Many people are in love with you without you even realizing it. Your energy is a type of energy to invoke healing, change, transformation. People can become extremely addicted to your energy, addicted to your light, especially if you give off an energy of, I'm happy on my own. It makes people want you more. People from your past that you had romantic relationships with still yearn for your love. They remember how you made them feel. Not only are you beautiful outwardly, you radiate so much inner peace, inner beauty. You radiate so much light. You are inspiring, empowering. You are very influential. You make people believe in dreams coming true because of their encounter with you. You teach self-love by loving yourself. You are accepting of your flaws. You are accepting of your body, your imperfections. And this is so inspiring to others. and it makes you even more beautiful. When people view you, they don't just see your looks, they see your soul. You have a beautiful soul. You can appeal to different people from all walks of life, from all over the world. What you possess is universal, and people cannot get enough of you. You are a lot of people's wish fulfillment, whether you realize it or not. You bring a lot of joy and love and happiness into people's life. You are high vibrational, you're creative. You are a powerhouse. Your energy is infectious. And when you're not around, you are missed. A lot of people view you as family. You are the vibe. Many people want to create a family with you. Many people want to connect with you for their own gains. And you are urged to stay away from these unstable individuals. Because with an energy like yours, you deserve the best. We all do, but you deserve the very best. You have done a lot of healing work on yourself, and you are continuing to do the work, and you cannot allow any instability to come and affect that. And many people want to come into your world because they see you as grounded, as stable, and they are drawn to your light, to your stability. Many people have plotted upon you, plotted on your downfall, because they see you as someone who is in a high position or who will one day be in a leadership position. You have so much power and authority. You command respect. Whenever you enter the room, the energy shifts. People are aware that they are in the presence of a great leader. And the thing is, you're so humble and down to earth, unaware of the effect that you have on others. Some of you are in a romantic relationship. Some of you are married, and this individual is your match. We've got the Emperor and the Empress. Or some people want to be an Empress to you if you're a masculine listening to this. And if you're a feminine listening to this, many people want to be an emperor to you. Some people find you intimidating because you give off an energy of being independent. I can take care of myself. I don't need no man. I don't need no girl. That type of energy. Whether or not you realize it. And for some of you, you could actually yearn for a romantic suitor. Someone that's your match. And that's what you're waiting for. And that's what you're going to get. Because your energy is expensive. Your energy is regal. And you deserve the very best. And you will get the very best in this life. And many people see you as someone that evokes healing and change. And unfortunately, some people may feel rejected by you. You may have turned down these individuals' advances, and it's forced them into healing. Some people feel like they're not good enough for you. And for some of you, Spirit has blocked these individuals, or Spirit is blocking these individuals from accessing your energy because they are not a match. And their energy will drag your energy down. You're moving forward, you're moving away. You're moving towards victory. You are a generational curse breaker. Growing up, you may have felt different. But you're here to bring change. Your energy radiates power. And some people try to rival you for this power. These individuals could have been family members. They knew that there was something different about you. They may have bullied you for it because secretly they were jealous of it. because they know that you were destined to be a leader in this life. And you will be triumphant, and you will live a prosperous life. You will create that legacy. Your energy is distinct, powerful, to be respected. Your energy is not one to play with. You are here to lead others and to show others about spreading love, spreading light, staying true to oneself, being fair, being kind, being balanced, being a good person. You know, none of us are perfect, but if we continue to become a better version of ourselves daily, and to treat people the way that we want to be treated, we can literally change the world. And that's the energy that you exude. And that's why, my darling, you are one of a kind.